What's up guys, we're back again and we've got a seafood special. So we've got Harissa king prawns served with lemon couscous. So this is what you're going to need. So let's get straight into marinating the prawns. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil, the smoked paprika and the harissa. And then get your hands in. Give it a good mix. Alternatively, you don't have to use them in the shell. You can buy them that's already, out of the shell. But these was a little bit cheaper. Just don't let it put you off. There we go, so wash my hands. And we've preheated the oven on 180 degrees, so we're going to put these in for about 20 minutes, check and see what they're like. So now that the prawns are almost ready, let's get on to making the lemon couscous. So I'm going to put a bit of zest into the couscous. And then the juice of the lemon. Chop up the coriander. This can be roughly chopped, it doesn't matter if you get any stalks in. So add that in. Then add in the 300 millilitres of boiling water. Pinch of salt. Let's give it a good mix. What we're going to do is we're going to put a lid on here and then we're just going to leave it for around 5 minutes. So now the prawns are done, so we're going to get those out the oven. The couscous is done, so we're going to bring everything together. Let's check the couscous. So when you first check, you just want to make sure that it's all loose grains. You don't want it to be all stuck together. Add these pomegranates. Some little pieces of mint. And a fresh piece of lemon. So there we have it, our Harissa king prawn and lemon couscous. Let's tuck in. So what you want to do is break off the head and the legs. Still a bit warm, so maybe just wait for it to cool down. Then peel the shells off. There you go. Enjoy.